what if I can show you how you can make $200 to $400 a day, right? In your own time like that, right? You'll make more than what you make at your, job, right? So that's interesting to learn, and it's residual income. You know, whenever I go live and I talk about residual income, it gotta be with a company that I believe in. Because I don't go live for a company that I'm getting a little fast cash at. I want to make residual income. That's worth my time to talk live like this with y'all like that. But I'm not even going to tell you the company name, right? But I'm going to tell you a strategy for sure. Because it's live video, right? I'm not going to tell you the company name, what I mess with. I'm going to tell you how to do it. And if you want to get involved with that and you want to do it yourself and learn more strategies from me, just comment, message me, do whatever you do to get in hold of me like that, and I will teach you how to do it in a better version than what I'm going to explain right now, because this is live. I'm just talking to y'all. You know what I mean? It's fun to me, but at the same token is I like helping a lot of people too. But when you go live with a lot of people, you don't know which one is the trolls and which ones are for real. Because whenever you start making money or you are doing something positive, guys, the trolls come on out, to be honest with you. So you gotta know which ones is the real. You gotta know which ones the trolls. So when I go live like this, I'm just gonna educate a little bit to you. But if you want the real deal like that, guys, just message me or something like that. Get more info, or do something like that. Get my attention like that. Or I'm just thinking, you know, everybody's, they watch videos or they comment below, they comment their links, they do all types of crazy things. So, when I make live videos, I'm talking to y'all. You know what I mean? I'm not, I ain't no salesman. I'm not trying to sell you nothing. I'm just telling you some strategies real quick. You know what I mean? So you understand, how you can make money if you in my type of business world like that, affiliate marketing, network marketing, MLM marketing, and them factors like that. You can make extra money from something I'm going to tell you real quick. But if you want the full training, subscribe to my YouTube channel. The last video I made, it was about this, what I'm talking about right now, be honest with you. So if you go to Adrian Ramsey, YouTube channel, you'll see this whole full thing. I'm just gonna give y'all bits and pieces now. But if you want to see the whole full thing, go to my YouTube channel, right? It's called Adrian Ramsey. You'll see my face, so you'll see the whole video. But let me tell y'all something, man. If you want to make residual income and you want to get leads and sales, type in what type of business you should do. Give a business to someone that need leads and sales in their establishment. I'm talking about commercial business. For example, laundromat, carpet cleaning, cleaning service, hair salons, nail salons. You make them a page for free, and you show them that get this market system and give them a little more value. But you got to say it, but I gave a lot of value today on my channel like that. And I love giving that to my channel because most people on my channel is internet marketer people like that. Just click below and you'll see. And just click that, and you'll go to my YouTube channel like that. You know, I wasn't trying to sell nothing. I was just trying to show people information. That's all. All right, guys, real quick little live. But hey, man, just want to show you something different. You know, you know, I, I think for the rest of the year, I'm gonna be doing strictly business stuff. So I'm not gonna be talking about just like life information stuff like that. You know, because I showed y'all enough already. That's why I say if you don't watch some of my videos, be honest with you, they will be erased now because it's not. I'm not trying to change no one. You know what I mean? So I'm just showing you just real life stuff, and I show you that here and there on videos, and then I tell you real quick, dude. You know what I'm saying? While I'm making that video, this might not be up forever. So, but my business videos, they'll stay up forever. Because my business videos is trying to help you, gain more money in your life like that. So, it's not, I'm not trying to show you how to be. I'm just trying to show you how to make more money. And I always think that is a blessing for everyone. Everybody want to know how to make more money. So you can't go wrong with that. So, money videos like right now, they'll be forever on my page, guys. So, just take advantage of the things I tell you. Make sure you watch that video below. It's a YouTube video. I'm not trying to say you nothing. I'm just showing you some strategies, guys. That's all I'm doing. You know what I mean? So just take advantage of them strategies. If you want to join my team, though, you'll see the link below the comment under the YouTube video. You want to join my team. And then just message me if you're my friend like that. And then I'll show you some more things. You know what I mean? So, real quick video for I eat, because I gotta eat. If you see my page way below, comment, I eat good, right? So I gotta eat. So I'm hungry right now. I did a lot of work today. I made a YouTube video. I did an email thing today. I did some free broadcasting today. And then I'm making this live video right now. So I'm working for y'all guys. I'm working, showing content on who I am. So I'm working. And I started like at noon, because I don't work that long with with my other business, offline business. So I work on other ways, you know what I mean? So, but it's fun to me, so that's why I can share things with you. All right, guys, man, real quick little video, real quick live video with your boy A. Love always, peace.